Hello guys, welcome back. We have sharpened our knives. We have gathered all the resources which are necessary to build up the project, and we have the willpower which is very much essential to complete this project. From lecture now onward we are actually start coding. In this lecture we will make our Jarvis to read. For that purpose I'm gonna use pyaudio library. We have other libraries installed in Python, but this library works offline as well. This library used to convert any text to speech. This is also called text to speech library. This works offline as well and is also compatible with both versions of Python, Python 2 and Python 3. So let's see how we can use this library. For that purpose, let's go on my Jupyter notebook. Now I'm on my Jupyter notebook. Before starting the coding, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I'm gonna use many libraries in this project. So some libraries I will install and some library I will not install because some libraries are inbuilt libraries. If some libraries are inbuilt, then don't need to install it, you just need to import it. But if they are external libraries that are not inbuilt, then you have to install it. Since pyttsx3 is not an inbuilt library in Python, so we have to install it using our pip package manager. You have to write pip and instll install and the name of the library you want to install. Pip install is like a common command which are gonna use many times whenever you want to write like install any package. You have to write pip install. Pip means you are using pip package manager to install, and then at the end you have to give the name you want to install. pyttsx3 star means it the cell is running. In order to run this cell, you can either use a run command by clicking on run, or you can use a keyboard shortcut key shift plus enter. I am gonna use the from this project onward shift plus enter. Requirement already satisfied. It means I have already. If you are using first time, then you will see a line at the end successfully installed. Now we have to import it because without importing you cannot use this library. You have to import pyttsx3. We have to create engine dot py. As you can either write pyttsx3 completely, or after writing a initial words initial letter, just write tab. It will autocomplete, and then hit dot, and then you can type again. It will tell all the functions which are comes under pyttsx3. I'm gonna use init. After initializing it, this function is very much important. Basically this function is doing creating a connection between engine and pyttsx3 dot initializer. Initializers come with many functions which we are gonna use by using engine. So the first function is I'm gonna using that tab dot what the function is say. I'm using the function is say welcome to my course. After that you have to write engine dot run and wait function. This function is very much important. It makes your system to listen the speech, or you can say the speech will be audible to your system. If you don't use this function into your engine to run and wait, then none of the speech will be audible to your system. So I'm gonna use a shift plus enter shortcut key to run this cell.
Welcome to my course.
Now you can see say welcome to my course. Now it works. Thank you.